I love that the United Methodist Church is ecumenical. I love that it's welcoming. I love that we have an open table and that we're very receptive to whomever is interested.
I love that the United Methodist Church is personal and social, cares about our relationship with Christ, but also our relationship to a more just and beautiful world.
I love that the United Methodist Church is full of diverse people with different opinions, different ideas, different viewpoints, different ways that they get to where they are.
I love that the United Methodist Church is connectional. I love that the United Methodist Church has a diversity of opinions and approaches to Scripture, and I love that the United Methodist Church is really willing to explore new ways of being the church.
I love that the United Methodist Church is a place that leads with grace and not with judgment.
I love that we are connected to people throughout the country and around the globe. In fact, during this pandemic season, if I wasn't connected to people around the globe, I don't know if I would have survived. So I love that we have people everywhere.